Hey guys, welcome back to another one. Since you guys liked the last one so much, we're gonna do it again. Alright, here we go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly glumping left its seeds while I was glumping. And a vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of glumping. Narrow streams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. With my eyes were glumped by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of glumping. And in the naked light I glumped 10,000 people, maybe more. People glumping without speaking. People glumping without listening. Glumping songs and voices. No one disturb the sound of glumping. Fool, said I, you do not know. Glumping like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might glump you. Take my arms and I might glump you. But my words, like silent drops glumped. Echo of glumping. Then people pray to the neon god they glump. And the sun flashed out its warning. And then it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets written subway walls. Tenement halls whisper and the sound of glumping.